Welcome to our channel, where we explore the keys to financial success and point you in the direction of a bright future. We'll explore the fundamental ideas and methods in this video that can support your financial objectives. Take a pen and piece of paper, and let's begin. Making money is important, but intelligent money management is also essential for financial success. Budgeting is the first step in laying a strong foundation for financial success. You may take charge of your finances and decide where your money should go by keeping track of your income and expenses. It's time to concentrate on saving once you've established a budget. Saving is a crucial habit that can assist you in establishing an emergency fund, making plans for significant expenditures, and securing your financial future. Not how much you make, but how much you keep and increase instead, is what matters. Let's now discuss investing. By investing, you may make your money work for you by creating passive income and gradually increasing your wealth. For long-term financial success, diversifying your portfolio and knowing the fundamentals are essential, regardless of the type of investment vehicle you choose: stocks, bonds, real estate, or another one. It's crucial to safeguard your wealth as you amass it through risk management and insurance. Because life may be unpredictable, having the appropriate insurance coverage can protect your possessions and give you and your loved ones peace of mind. Planning for retirement is essential as you advance in your financial life. A happy and secure future can be achieved by starting to save early and making regular contributions to retirement funds. To maximize your retirement savings, look at options including 401(k), IRAs, and pension plans. Finally, achieving financial success involves more than just amassing wealth, it also involves giving back. Think about being charitable and having a positive influence on your neighborhood. Giving can provide financial rewards through tax deductions and estate planning techniques in addition to personal fulfillment. Congratulations! You will achieve financial success if you adhere to these ideas and tactics. Keep in mind that it's a path that calls for self-control, endurance, and ongoing education. Keep watching our channel for additional advice, analysis, and success stories from people who have attained financial freedom. I appreciate your attention. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and bell symbol to be notified of new videos. Let's open the doors to financial success together and build a better future.